G'day. After the intense heat, we had some milder conditions this week. Some storm clouds formed and it seemed to offer a promise of rain. I love filming clouds and need no excuse to turn the cameras on them. Their endless changing of shape is something I just really enjoy. When the rain came, it was not enough to dampen the dry parched ground. A few spots in the waterhole and a brief sprinkle that increased the humidity a little. Summer is often a time of very little rain here, and every drop is precious to the environment. It did, however, bring that wonderful smell you get in the Australian bush after rain falls. As quickly as it built up, the clouds disappeared, with a final small shower as the clouds dissipate to nothing. Still, it managed to get the koala up and moving. These iconic marsupials are thought of as cuddly and cute. While I can agree with being cute, they are not, in my opinion, cuddly. The claws that give them such a strong hold in the trees are not human friendly and make formidable weapons if threatened. So if you see a koala, just watch and enjoy. Don't be tempted to go in for a cuddle. I'm always amazed at how well they judge what branch will hold them and what to avoid. Adult males like this one can weigh up to 15 kilos in Victoria. The easiest way to identify sex in koalas is that males, like this one, have a dark brown stain on the middle of their chest from a scent gland he uses to mark his territory. Females and juveniles have plain white chests. Also, our local koalas are often browner and a lot furrier and bigger than their northern Australian cousins. I guess it's more suited to our colder winters. One other cool fact with koalas is they all have unique fingerprints like humans. They are the only other animal with this characteristic. In recent weeks, the koalas have been feeding on messmate stringy barks, but this one has moved to a manna gum for a change of menu. They have a really good sense of smell and can pick up which leaves are more palatable and have less toxins just by sniffing them. They are often hard to see, especially when right up in the canopy of a tree feeding. To end this week, clear night skies and no moon offered me an opportunity to stargaze. So enjoy this selection of time lapses from our southern skies. I'll post some still frames on my blog at marklamble.com.au and remember to subscribe to see new videos every week. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment or ask questions. Cheers for this week.